Hey, hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make money from this site sound.me. And you can make money with your you can earn money for your TikTok videos, and you don't need to have 10,000 followers, you don't need to have um, um, 1,000 followers to start earning money on TikTok using this website. Okay, this website has paid sound that you can use in creating videos on TikTok. Okay, they give you tags and you do, and to pay you cool cash. I'm going to walk you through the steps, and make sure you stick to this video, and also click on the like button, and also share these videos to your friends so they too can know how they can make money. I'm going to select my country, and this is across board, not only Nigeria. Okay, so I'm going to click this sign up as a creator. Then I'm going to log in my TikTok account. Okay, so we're going to use email. So it's gonna tell me this, that I should authorize, so you're going to give it access. You just need to follow the right step they've given you, the instructions they've given you. Make a video with their sound, not other sound. They will give you a sound, then you make a video with it and post, then you start making money for each view. Okay, so let's go click on start recording a video.
Let's fill in our details so that they can send notifications through SMS and also email to notify you that sound is available for you to create a video so you can earn money. So we are going to go to this profile icon here and click on settings. Then you fill in your details in this place. I've already done mine. Okay, I've put in everything I want, and this is my number. I've put in my number, and I've put in my email address, and I will click on save changes.
When the tax is available, they will send you an email for you to start. Okay, so that you can start earning. So guys, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe, like, and share to your friends so that they too can know how they make money on TikTok without getting 1,000 followers.
Thank you, and see you in my next video.